I have some exciting news today. I'm gonna be doing a fashion show. This is something I dreamed of since I was a little girl, and it's finally happening. I'm gonna take you with me on the journey because it's gonna be exciting. Just to quickly explain, the region I live in is known for like glass making and glass jewelry and everything like that. My mom is a glass artist and she got invited to like display her pieces in a fashion show, so I'm gonna be making the dresses for her jewelry, which is also so exciting because we've been waiting to be able to combine like what we love to do together for so long, and the fact that it's finally happening, it's just, oh my god, amazing. So first, as you can see, we already got the designs. There's gonna be 3 pieces in our part of the fashion show. The whole thing is inspired by the ocean. So there's a piece inspired by water, then there's a piece inspired by seaweed, and the last one is inspired by coral reefs. Just a little about the design process. We designed the water-inspired one together. Then my mom designed the seaweed model, and for the last one, I did the designing. My mom's gonna be doing all the glass making and all the jewelry, and I'm gonna be doing all the dresses and sewing and everything around that. When we finished everything for the fashion show, we're gonna also design a line of glass jewelry inspired by the ocean and by this collection for the fashion show. So, like, exciting stuff. The only thing is we need to finish everything in a month, which like I feel like that's enough time, but also I have to leave for 8 days somewhere in the middle of the month just because I have a summer camp. We'll see how it goes. I'm optimistic. I think it's gonna be fast, but you never know. Also, I'm trying to source all the fabrics sustainably because there's no need to buy new fabrics if there is a way to buy something sustainably. So I managed to find 10 meters of silk fabric and we can unpack it together. I'm not gonna lie, I already had a sneak peek of what's happening in the box because I was just excited about it. So this is how 10 meters of silk looks like. Like compared to this is like 14 meters of spandex or something, also that's stock for my new collection, but we don't have to talk about it now. But like compare the size of this with the size of this, like, yeah, but whatever, it is what it is. So 10 meters of 100% silk fabric, and the plan is to use it for all of the 3 models, just in different ways. And I have some silk paint somewhere, so in the end I'm gonna paint everything according to the design, but first I'm just gonna cut it out and sew it and then paint it. So yeah, that's the plan. This is the main fabric for everything. When I was buying this fabric, they also had like not even a meter, I think it's like 90 centimeters of this fabric. I don't know what it is, but it's fun. It looks like a mermaid and it's gonna be perfect for the blue skirt, for the like ocean inspired design. So I think if like little pieces of this were peeking out of the skirt, it's just gonna make it more fun. It's gonna give it more like sparkle and dimension and it's gonna be amazing. So I also got this. I try to source everything sustainably, but sometimes it just doesn't work. A thing like this you just won't find. So I have this for the red one, and I also had to get 2 meters of mesh for the red one because I just really couldn't find that stock mesh fabric right now and I need to have it now. So sadly, these are the only things that are not sustainable for this fashion show, but I think I still did a very good job at sourcing stuff because everything else is gonna be 100% sustainably sourced, so I still think I'm okay. So yeah, let's do it. I'm so excited. As you can see, I have the designs already printed out. I'm gonna put them on the screen just so you can see. First, I think I'm gonna start with the seaweed inspired dress because I already started and my mom is making the necklace right now, so it's gonna be perfect to just, you know, combine it and be able to see it together. And then I'm gonna move on to the next design. Let's go! Also, just ignore the fabric I'm making this out of, because it's some leftovers I had, I don't even know from what, but why not use them? Because we're being sustainable. So I'm just gonna use what I have because I'm not buying anything new. I'm gonna take this, transfer it on a piece of paper, and then we can start cutting it out. It's gonna be fun. Alright, so I think for now this is done. I'm gonna take it off and finish the pattern. The only thing is I think it still needs to be a little bit looser around the hips, because I have a feeling the models will have bigger butts than this. So yeah, have to fix that. Otherwise, I think it's done. As you saw, my mom was trying on the glass pieces just to see how it lays, and I think it looks good. We're making progress, finally. Let's go. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Yesterday I managed to finish the back of the dress. Today I need to finish the front because I still need to sew in the little like openings, I guess, or whatever it is. It took longer than I thought because I needed to make it like I don't know what's it called, a French seam or whatever. I'm gonna show you. It's like where you sew the nice sides together and then you sew it again, so you basically have like a hidden seam or whatever. I don't know. The back is finished. Also the thread is brown because I'm gonna be coloring this brown because the thread is polyester and this is linen, so the linen would get colored and the thread would stay white, which we don't want. So that's why it's brown. It looks weird now, but after it's gonna look how I need it to look. So yeah, this is the back. Now let's do the front.
A few moments later.
Alright, so front is done, back side is done. Now I need to cut out the lining and then I can sew everything together. I think I'm gonna sew the outer layer together, then the lining together, then color everything and then sew everything together because I think I want to still paint something on the outside, and I don't want to paint the lining, so that's why I want to color it separately and then sew it all together. Now I need to cut out the lining. Okay, so it's like 10 p.m. I finished the zipper. That was a very painful experience because I just did it more complicated than it needed to be, but it's done. Tomorrow I need to finish the lining, then put it all together and color it. My mom also left me some samples of the glass pieces just so I know the colors when I'm coloring the dress, because I don't know what time she's coming back tomorrow. So yeah, this is how it's looking so far, and tomorrow it's hopefully gonna be done. And now, good night. Hey guys, so it's the next morning. I didn't get that much done yesterday because I got stuck on the zipper and also ran out of thread, so I had to get more. So it kinda got slowed down and I didn't do much, but today, hopefully I'm gonna finish it finally, because kinda running out of time. It's Saturday and next Sunday I'm leaving for summer camp, so I kinda need to have everything finished in this week, because after I come back I don't think I'm gonna have much time to do anything, so I should really be done this week. But I'm hopeful. I think it's gonna be fine. It's just gonna be a bit of a struggle, but yeah. Today I'm cutting out the lining and finishing the first dress, and also hopefully like draping the next one just a little bit, or at least figuring out if I need to buy more fabric for the skirt, because I had 10 meters. The width is only 90 centimeters, which is not too much, so I don't think it's gonna be enough because the dress takes up a lot of fabric. I think I'm still gonna need to buy more fabric, but I have 2 days to figure it out because anyways no one's gonna ship fabric to me on the weekend, so yeah. If I need more, I should order it tomorrow, so today I kinda need to find out how much I need. Also, my mom is making a lot of progress with the glass pieces for the fashion show, so I'm gonna show you now. She's trying to to make a bra out of glass, but it's kind of like, it's not impossible, but we would need like different equipment for it, so I don't know if it's gonna be possible to do it. If it's not, we're gonna do a combination of glass and fabric in some way, but it's still gonna be the same vibe, just a little different if it doesn't work out the way we need it to. Okay, so this is how it's going so far. Also, the stuff it's laying on, it's like, I don't know how to explain it in English, but it's something you can put hot glass on and it doesn't burn, so that's why it's on this. And as you can see, this should be the back of the glass piece and this should be the front. I think it's gonna be fun. We'll see. She said now she needs to make holes in this, and we don't know if that's gonna work or not. So I have everything cut out. This is the outer part of the dress. So I'm just gonna put it on the mannequin and then, finish it all hopefully. Also ignore the box, but this doesn't extend long enough for it to be tall enough, so I had to improvise. It's the next day, the dress is done, and I'm gonna be coloring it brownish, greenish, I don't know. We'll see what looks the best with the glass pieces. And yeah, I think that's all. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so right now it's looking a little bit more orange than I like it to, but I'm gonna see how it dries and color it again if it's not looking good. Yeah, I think it could still come out kind of nice, but we'll see how it goes, because I don't know, I can't tell right now, we'll see. Yeah, I think I'm done for today, because I need to wait for this to dry and I need my mom to make the glass pieces for the next one, so I think I'm just gonna do some computer work or something for now, and yeah, I guess see you tomorrow.